In this video, you're gonna see how this print-on-demand brand was able to scale to more than $1.1 million per month with a specific strategy on Facebook ads. You're gonna learn absolutely everything and how to replicate this success to your business as well. Let's find out. Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. By the end of this video, you're gonna know how to build a very successful print-on-demand store. We don't just talk about dropshipping, we don't just talk about selling products from China, but also products that could be made in the United States, shipped very fast, and also with customization and personalization attached to it. But before we start, I want to remind you that I'm giving away a fully built Shopify store for you, ready to start getting sales. If you're interested in that giveaway, I'm picking the person in the next week. Make sure to comment automate. We teach people how to automate their Shopify businesses. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button if you'd like to participate in the giveaway. I'm picking one person next week. And for today's student success shout out, we have a David right here, who passed his first $10,000 month after a lot of months of $5,000, $6,000, $8,000, finally cracked the $10,000 mark. If you want to be my next student success story and get shouted out here on the channel, make sure to click that first link in the description to apply for our automated e-commerce program where you work with me and my team directly. This is application only, so only apply if you are serious. All right, let's get to the store. It's called Crown and Paw. Maybe you've seen them before in other ads in Facebook, or you maybe see them on your own newsfeed. They essentially sell pet masterpieces, or turning your pet into a royal masterpiece. Just like you see right here, this little pet, you give the image of the picture of the pet, and you can see all of these here, all the little images. You keep the pet, the husky, and then they turn it into a royal picture like that. You give them the cat, they turn into a royal picture. So they specialize in turning dogs and cats, or any type of animal really. I saw they have like different rats and even gerbils and other types of pets, but they turn them into masterpieces or royal masterpieces, very customized, very straight to the point. And also, obviously, this is print on demand. They source these canvases through Printful, Printify. I'm gonna show you exactly how to source them, but that is the gist of what they sell. You give them a picture of your pet, they turn it into a royal masterpiece, and these guys are absolutely crushing it. In about 10 months, they've scaled up to $1.1 million or even $2.2 million. It's estimated revenue, so it could be around those two, and they're absolutely crushing it on Facebook in less than 10 months. They've taken over a niche that really nobody else explored, nobody thought about, making pictures of pets that look royally, that are very customized, and they've made it a $1 million success story. As you can see here, they're pretty expensive. In this case, I'm in Europe, so they're gonna show up around 45, 46 euro per canvas. That's about $50, $55, $60 per canvas. So it's not a cheap product, but it's a very high class or high quality product that people that really love their pets, or at least love home decor, can love and pay for it to get that particular portrait of their dog. As you can see here, even a chicken. So even animals that are not typical pets, you can get a portrait made out of that. So they chose a niche that they really like, or they chose a niche that needed attention. They absolutely dominated and they crushed it. Now to the Facebook ads, which is the most interesting part. You can see that the page was created in March 2019, so not even a year ago, and they've got 80,000 likes here, and most of their ads are just focused on reviews and the picture of the dog with a little portrait. So it's super cute, and people that actually have a dog and they want to do something special, or they're interested in home decor in general. They want to buy a canvas, or they want to spend money in their home looking better, plus they have a pet. This is like the jackpot. This is just an amazing niche to get into, or to actually do for them. So here you see the dog. Big thanks to Crown and Paw for creating this admirable canvas of Masca. We're very impressed and so in love with it, Masca the husky. So emphasizing reviews, how much people like them, how happy people are about the particular product, and then just a picture of the dog and the portrait. And here you can see this is the most ridiculous and unnecessary thing I've ever seen. I'll take 3, please. And it's a little video of them showing it on how people unbox it, and then with the product and the little dog. So it's just absolutely cute. They're really targeting people that really love their pets, and they're also just, they want to do something special. They want to do something that's not normal out there, just buying your pet some toy or something. They want to buy something over the top, and also put it as a reminder of the pets. Here you can see 2 pets Your dog is one of a kind. Showcase your pup as a king or queen of your house. So this is also their line. Show it off as a king or queen of the house. And they do it a lot of little turn your pet into a masterpiece. And here the little video showing how you can turn it into a masterpiece. It's just beautiful, beautiful marketing. And most is just focused towards reviews, like what people think about us, what people feel about our product, videos of customers opening up the product and showing it off, and just the pictures of the pet. They're just focused on the product. They make a better product or a more special product than everybody else, and they are absolutely crushing it with that. Now, important note, I don't recommend you go and copy the niche and you start doing portraits of dogs. It is likely not going to work because they've already dominated that niche and dominated that particular product. But you can use it as inspiration for other types of products. There's a lot of other niches, babies, weddings, people that, for example, are married. They want to do something special, something customized, maybe for their dog or their pet, but another type of product or another type of customizable canvas, not just royally. There's a lot of options on there. So if you want to get in a niche like this, or you want to do something very personalized like this niche, what you need to do is go, first of all, to either Printful or Printify. These are the two services that I found that are the best. One of my students is selling print on demand. He uses Printful and he does it really, really well. The margins are a little bit low, the margin of the profit from the particular product. But if you sell it very, very expensive, like Crown and Paw, they sell it for $60 per canvas, and you add that high quality feel, high luxury feel to the product, you're able to charge that much for a product that costs you. And here you can see custom products you can drop ship. If we go to the bottom, show more, these products typically cost you around $7 to $8 to actually get. Or here, for example, €6 or $7 and fulfilled in Europe or the USA. So in this case, we're just gonna leave it to US. It's ready in 2.1 business days. So in 2 to 3 days, it can ship out to your customers very, very quickly. And a product like this, €15, that's about $17. So you get it for $17. Then you get the design, which I'm gonna show you how to do, and then you sell it for $60. So the margin is pretty good if you give that high quality, high value feel to your product. So you choose it from Printful or you choose it from Printify. You can go down here, all products, and click it there. They're very easy to connect to Shopify, and you just click on home and living, and then you go to posters or canvas gallery wraps, just like this one. And they basically cost around $12. So shipping from 9, price from 12, so around $20 to get the product and actually ship it over, plus the design, which is a little cost on top, and then selling it for $50, $60, again, giving it that high value feel. So how do you actually get that personalized design or that personalized touch to the particular product? You go onto Fiverr and you go here, Fiverr.com. I know I've talked a lot about Fiverr, different designs that are made on Fiverr and different jobs that you can find on Fiverr, or at least people that can do things for your Shopify store on Fiverr. One of the best things that they do is graphics, pictures, customizable paintings, anything like that. So you can just type in dog portrait in this case, or you can type in whatever you want. Maybe you want to do custom baby portrait, and just like that, you can search it on the top and find custom baby portrait. So this one, for example, I will create your baby pic into a custom deco pop art poster. So something like that could be a particular niche that you get into. I'll make a drawing of your baby. I'll do this one, for example, is custom t-shirt. Let's go back to pet portrait because that one has a few more listings that I can show off here. And for example, for about $5, $10, this one is $15. I'll do a custom pet portrait, dog portrait, cat portrait. So probably a lot of people are copying Crown and Paw. I don't recommend copying them directly because it's likely not to work, but it looks like a lot of people are doing it. So for $15, you can get a design, you get the canvas, you get it ready. Then obviously the customer sends you the picture of the dog or the cat that you want to do. Then you pay $15 for the design and it's ready. You just slap it onto the canvas on Printify or Printful and you can send it over. There's a lot of different niches. For example, what I recommend is wedding custom or married custom. So we'll try to find, I'll create a beautifully customized wedding and other invitations. This one is for invitations. So we're going to try to find a better one here, maybe married or love custom gift. Let's see what we can find with love or married, because I know this niche is very, very, very profitable. I'm gonna create a romantic for this one here.
Yeah, so there's also this one turned yellow. You can turn your people into or this one right here. Okay, a custom Renaissance oil painting. This one is actually great. I'll create your custom Renaissance oil painting portrait. So it's the same that they're doing for pets, but for people. So if the person is interested in getting turned themselves into a royal painting, then that could be also a niche that you get into. So there's a lot of different options. It takes a lot of creativity, but you can definitely grow a massive brand by doing this and just getting a portrait like that, $15, $20, and then selling it on a canvas to somebody that really values the product. I went and did some research for you, and I found another design just like that one that is here. So if you just spent 5-10 minutes researching a particular niche or a particular type of canvas that you can do, you can definitely find a lot of them. Or if you don't want to do canvases, you can also do other products like mugs or t-shirts, something like that that could be given as a gift. So one that's really profitable is particularly coffee mugs, and you can just make a personalized mug with any design that you want and just add it onto the printful mug, ship it over, and make it very high quality, high value for the customer to actually pay a lot of money for it.
If you're interested in taking your Shopify store to the next level this year and beyond, just like David, our shout out did to 10,000 per month or more, make sure to schedule a strategy call with the first link in the description. This is application only. To work with me in my automated e-commerce program, our students are getting insane results, 10K months, 25K months, just absolutely insane. And we do put a lot of effort and commitment into your business. So make sure to apply right now. Click that first link in the description. If you are serious, you get to talk to me or my team, and let's get to it. Make sure you smash that like button down below, comment automate for a special giveaway. And if you want to learn my step-by-step Facebook ad strategy, make sure to check that video right there, Facebook ads for e-commerce, how to scale to 100,000 or more on your store. Make sure to check it out right there, comment automate, subscribe with that notification bell, and I will see you on the next one.